So here's my 2023 Ram 2500 Laramie. I used to have a Ford F-250, as y'all know. I love that truck, but I got rid of it and got this for reasons I'd have to put into another video involving the death wobble video I made. So basically, I got this truck instead. I traded it in and got this. I love this truck. It's great. I have no complaints about it. It has the 6.7 Cummins, and I pulled this truck with my trailer on it all the way to California. I went 85 the whole time, and it pulled just like it had no car on it. And I'm gonna pop the hood to show you the engine. There's the engine. 6.7 Cummins. You know, truck has a 5.5 foot bed, and I think the bed's a little bit small because my F-250 used to have a 6.5 foot bed, and I could put a lot of stuff in the back here. This one I really can't. I do have a fifth wheel attachment. If I want to put that in there, I probably will eventually. And here's back seats. Back seats are really nice. You have these pockets you can put, you know, things in. And then basically back seats really comfortable. You can sit in here for a long time if you have to. I don't sit back here obviously because I'm driving, but if I had to sit back here, I could. The interior of this truck is extremely comfortable because I think the seats could be a little bit more comfortable because like the 4th gens are really comfortable. I've sat in a few. These, they've made them a little hard and a little small. So basically, sitting there, interior is really comfortable. I'm not gonna pop that center open because I got it on me, if you know what I'm saying. So basically, in here, you have full screen Apple CarPlay, which I'm gonna turn on for you. You have your profiles. If it's off for a long time, it'll flash "Hello Cyrus" or whatever, you know. So basically, interior is really nice, and here it is. So you have full screen Apple CarPlay, something I haven't had before. You can, you know, do whatever on here. You can call people. You could, you know, do whatever. Truck gets 17 miles to the gallon. And I'm gonna turn it off. That's driving me nuts. The truck gets 17 miles to a gallon, which I find pretty good. 17 to 20, anywhere in there, which I find pretty good because, you know, I've never driven someone with good gas mileage, really. So basically, I got this truck in last July because I knew I was gonna start drifting, which that's coming up very soon. And I needed something that I could pull all over if I needed to. And the F-250, it was getting up there. It was 11 years old and had 130,000 miles on it. So basically, I had to get this truck. And also, I didn't feel comfortable pulling with the F-250 because of the death wobble situation. I made a video about that, and I thought it was fixed. It wasn't. It started doing it again. I'm gonna make a whole video about that soon, but I'll do that in another video. So basically, I have some BF KO3s on here. Really good tires. I got them about 7,000 or 8,000 miles ago, right before I went to California. I pulled it all the way to California to get my interior done for my car on my Hellcat. I still have it. And I pulled it the whole way there. Like I said, you could pull like anywhere. It felt as you had, you know, no miles. So it felt like you were not pulling any weight on it, and you were, obviously. My trailer, which was like 23 feet, and then my car, which was heavy too. So basically, really good truck. I love this truck. I think if you're looking at spending anywhere from 60 to 90 grand to get this truck, because I think it has everything about it that's just nice. It's comfortable. It doesn't have like the death wobble, and they're pretty easy to find. They're everywhere, so you could find them anywhere. Sticker on this truck's $88. I did not pay that. I don't really want to get into how much I paid for it, but I got a good deal. So basically, Really good truck for the price. And it's a Laramie. It's not the Limited, but the Laramie and the Limited had no differences. But, you know, some like interior stuff. And, you know, I just think it's a really good truck. And, yeah. So I'm going to go drive it now and show you that while I'm driving and talk about it a little bit more. So I'll see you on the road. And it's a good truck. Just, you know, go the speed limit or above. It can go either or. I don't think I'd push it past 85. I think past that, you know, you're getting pretty fast for a diesel truck, you know. This truck has 27,300 miles on it, and I drive it every day, 40 miles-ish a day, and I put about, it's looking at about 15,000 a year. So I drive it all the time, and I recommend this truck 100% if you're looking at buying a diesel truck to haul, or just even not to haul, just to have a diesel truck to have one. I think they're the best ones you can get for the money. Because, yeah, Fords are good, but they have the death wobble. Duramax, they have some weird issues with the emission systems, and when they hit higher miles, they're kind of like a 6.0, they blow their head gaskets. And basically, this truck does not break, you know. I've seen a video of some guy who hit 1 million miles on his truck, hotshot trucking, with a 4th gen Cummins, and he still had the stock shock absorbers that he had never replaced. Literally, the dude, all he did was change the batteries and did like 4 windshields because he drove it 1 million miles. And I mean, this truck's pretty fast. I don't know, give it a little test. There was 83, and I'm not gonna do that again. But it's a fast truck for what you need it to be, but you don't need a truck to go fast, ever, you know. It's not my Hellcat, which, you know, was built to go to the drag strip. This truck's meant to, you know, haul, pull, drive like a normal person. So I think that if you're looking at a Ram, like I said, best truck you can get for the money, and you can find them everywhere. They're everywhere. If you look up Carfax Rams in this era, there's probably 300 in your city, depending on where you live, you know. And if you go down south to like Texas, there's probably more than that, because, you know, the ranches and everything have trucks, and people have trucks down there, you know. I was there a few years ago. I bet you 60% of the cars on the highway were trucks. So it's like, if you live somewhere where it's truck heavy, you're gonna find them everywhere. So now I'm back, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the maintenance on this truck. So basically, diesels need a lot of maintenance. If they do not get maintained properly, they will not work properly, and things are going to go bad, and they're not going to get the mileage out of them you expect. So things that need to be done on diesels are oil changes, just like any other car, every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, but fuel filters. 10,000 miles, 10 to 13,000 miles. Past that, you do not want to go past that. These diesels are very dirty fuel, so those filters get dirty too. So they are going to go bad, fuel filters. They're going to get old pretty quick. So that's why every 13,000 miles, there's even a fuel filter life on your truck that says 10,000 miles they need to be replaced. So do that, listen to that. Do not listen to these diesel guys on YouTube who say, oh, do it every 15, 20, 25,000 miles because I'm too fucking lazy to do it. You're not. You need to do this every 10,000 miles. I believe that by heart, and I've never had an issue because I do it every 10,000 miles. Oil, you could change those just like every other thing. Every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. You could probably even go a little bit past 10,000 miles. So I think that that's the most important thing is fuel filters. You're going to see this truck a lot in YouTube videos because it's going to trailer my drift car to the track and all that. So basically, you got to make sure to subscribe and watch my videos because you're going to see a lot of drifting action coming up this summer. So that'll be fun. So basically, I'll catch you in the next one and stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.